Hi friends, welcome back to Chart on My Lane, and this is Sarthak Chandra in the second innings, and I'm very glad to tell you that we've already started shooting for our second innings. So till the time the second inning videos come out और आप फिर वही मजा ले उसी शानदार खाने का from all across different places and some amazing restaurants, हमने सोचा जैसे मैचेस के बीच में द सेकेंड इनिंग्स और फर्स्ट इनिंग्स के बीच में फर्स्ट इनिंग्स के कुछ हाइलाइट्स आपको दिखाए जाते हैं. So दोस्तों, till the time our second inning videos are up on our channel and you start enjoying them, we'll give you a sneak peek and a review of our first innings of some amazing videos and the food that we've had. So keep enjoying, have fun and enjoy this video of our first innings highlights. Hi friends, good morning and yet another lovely day in Hyderabad and we are just having a wonderful time. तो आज सुबह या सेकेंड दिन हमको शुरुआत करनी थी with some place to have breakfast. और हैदराबाद में आने के बाद अगर आप किसी से भी पूछें तो ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए आउटराइटली एक ही जगह मिलती है और वो है ये द चटनीज रेस्टोरेंट. और इसका नाम चटनीज कैसे पड़ा जो आगे अभी हमें पता चला that they serve 6 different type of chutneys. So come on friends, let's go to this iconic restaurant and have that lovely breakfast today. Inside this iconic restaurant, the chutneys at the Jubilee Hill branch. And what I got before the order comes in, I'll tell you what all we've ordered, are these 6 iconic chutneys with the desi ghee that has come. So these are those 6 iconic chutneys, and why the name chutneys. So this is the Babai Idli, which is served with this gunpowder chutney, the desi ghee, the ghee which is poured in this, and the white butter, and along with that, so this is the lovely sambar that you get, and this is the Guntur idli. Apparently this is served with desi ghee and this gunpowder chutney. Let me just have the idli first. This overload of ghee and butter. So the next is the Guntur idli, which is ghee and the gunpowder chutney along with that. और इतना ज़बरदस्त और पारी घी का फ्लेवर और टेस्ट है. Oh my God! Is the MLA or specialty is the MLA Pesarattu, and look at this. This is actually made by moong dal or the green lentils and filled with upma with the shallow fried onion and the green chili. So the outer coating is something like चिल्ला जो हम लोग खाते हैं. मैं अगर उपमा के साथ में खाऊं, I don't know if this is how it has to be eaten. A very rare combination. This is the third city in India that is claiming to have the biggest dosa. We had the Elco the family dosa at Elco in Mumbai, and we had the Anna Idli mega dosa, which again claimed to be more than 4 feet, and here it is. We have the jumbo dosa at Chutneys in Hyderabad. Again, I think it's more than 4 feet. So now, obviously, with after all this, I cannot have it alone. So I'll have all my people come in, and we will then quickly eat it. And we are standing right in front of the very popular and iconic Gokul Chaat. Gokul Chaat is one of the most popular chaat stalls and street food places and street food outlets in Hyderabad.
Two back-to-back IED blasts at Lumbini Park and Gokul Chaat Bhandar had killed 42 people on August 25, 2007 in Hyderabad.
I start with one of their most iconic dishes, the dahi puri. Oh wow, this looks so amazing. And the plate is so cold, it's absolutely cold dahi. Really good. The golgappa, chutney two type, and the masala. Oh, really amazing. After that, lovely dahi puri. Again, one of their popular, they have a very popular dish of the ragadas. Now ragda, what I tell you is there is this mutter, white mutter, along with gravy and garnished with this onion and the save, और इसे कहते हैं रगड़ा. Oh wow, the samosa is so delicious. और ये white mutter की सब्जी, wow, amazing. So after that lovely samosa ragda, I'll have this the mirchi pakoda. Very popular. This is served with two accompaniments, the sweet chutney and this is khatti chutney. The batter is prepared very well. And the chili is not very bad. It's bearable. But with these chutneys, it's tasting very good. Lovely samosa and the kachori. They're one of the very signature dishes is the dahi bada. And again, so normally dahi bada has to be fresh and the curd has to be beaten up well with chili, coriander, cumin seed powder. Oh, it looks fresh. This is really fresh. And the dahi is so good. क्या बात है दोस्तों, हिंदुस्तान में स्ट्रीट फूड खाने का जो मज़ा है आई थिंक वो दुनिया में कहीं नहीं है. तो अगर आपको ओरिजिनल गोकुल आना है तो यही दो जगहें हैं और यहाँ पे आके आप शानदार मज़ा ले सकते हैं. और मेरे हिसाब से आप कुछ भी खाइए, फेवरेट मेरे को बोलना बहुत मुश्किल है क्योंकि मेरे को सब चीज़ों में बहुत मज़ा आया. ये था द शानदार गोकुल चाट एंड आई रिस्पेक्ट एंड सल्यूट द ओनर्स and the people of Hyderabad for bringing it back into action after that cowardly act of terrorism. तो दोस्तों, चार मीनार के बाहर और हैदराबाद में आने के बाद स्ट्रीट फूड की भी थोड़ी सी नीयत बदल जाती है. तो हमारी शुरुआत हो रही है फिश के साथ, फ्राइड फिश, और इसमें थोड़ा सा नींबू डालता हूँ तो ये अभी एकदम ऑयल से निकला है गरम और ऊपर उन्होंने बढ़िया चाट मसाला डाला हुआ है. और अपेरेंटली ये है बोनलेस फिश. वाह. तो सच में हम लोग पिछले 4-5 दिन से चिकन खा रहे हैं, मटन खा रहे हैं, मुझे फिश खा के इतना मज़ा आ रहा है. वाह. तो शेख नवीद जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. आपको
वालेकुम सलाम. जी साहब, मेरा नाम शेख नवीद है. ये एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन है ये खिलवत.
अच्छा.
खिलवत के पास काका जी शोरूम के सामने बिल्कुल. ये दिन में 5 बजे लगता है, 12 बजे बंद हो जाता है.
ओके. अच्छा. और क्या कितनी तरह की मछलियाँ रहती हैं?
ये मेरे पास तो 4 वेराइटीज़ है. बोनलेस फिश, रहू है, पापलेट है और प्रॉन्स भी मिलता है.
We got this amazing pomfret fry and let me try this. Oh wow. Just look at this. Oh, amazing. The taste is unbelievable. The fish is absolutely fresh. This fish is only for 80 rupees. Yeah, this is only 80 rupees, my friend. This is divine.
देखो मिलन आइए जूस.
I'm standing at yet another iconic place called the Milan Juice Center. Or Milan Juice Center is just close to Charminar and apparently very popular. And what I learned from some subscribers, they are very famous for 3 things which we are trying at this amazing place. One is the dry fruit, mixed dry fruit, the shaitut malai, the mulberry juice. This is the mixed dry fruit shake apparently, but this I think has been frozen into lassi, or I think pudding or some fresh cream. So this, my friend, is the Shaitut Malai, and I am really amazed to see this. मैं इसको खा के देखता हूँ क्योंकि मलाई मुझे बहुत पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन शहतूत मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Oh, lovely. And finally, I'm ending my stint at Milan with the mulberry juice. Now again, mulberry juice is something that is rarely you will find at most of the places, and I love juices. So rather than having a kiwi juice, I'm having this mulberry juice. Really amazing. We are here again at one of very popular places, which is the Munnu Pan Shop. And this place is very popular for पान. तो यहाँ पान बहुत ही पॉपुलर है और करीब 15-16 डिफरेंट फ्लेवर के पान आपको मिलेंगे, जिसके साथ मीठा, सादा और कई तरीके के पान. सो फाइनली गाइज, आई हैव गॉट माय सादा पान और सब लोगों ने अलग अलग पान खाए हैं. ऑब्वियसली मीठा इज़ द फेवरेट. और हैदराबाद में पान, स्पेशली सादा पान या किमाम का पान, इज़ सो गुड. वाह, मज़ा आ गया. Thank you so much for so much of love that you've been giving us. Now, please also go on Instagram, Chow Down My Lane, and see a lot of behind the scene activities. You can also go on Facebook, Chow Down My Lane, our page, and see a lot of fun that goes during our shoots. Please also join us on Chow Foodies, our Facebook group, where there are a lot of bloggers and you can contribute as well with a lot of food stuff that you want to. We can also buy the merchandise, our t-shirts, caps, and other things that will keep coming on our WhatsApp page. The details are also available on the Facebook page for you. So guys, enjoy yourself, have fun, ciao.